Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So we have got a question again from quadratic equation. And the question says a pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park. Right? So they are talking about a circular park. And let's have this circular park first of all. So suppose this is our park. And it says that the pole needs to be erected at the boundary of this circular park. So suppose this is the point where the pole needs to be erected, right? Now what it says is that the pole needs to be erected in such a way that in such a way that the differences of dis, its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters, right? So suppose these are the two gates which are diametrically opposite. Diametrically opposite means the line which is connecting these two gates will be going through from the center of the circle, and hence we can say that AB is the diameter of the circle, right? And we also know that, with the help of circles theorems, we also know that any diameter of the circle always makes and subtends a 90-degree angle at the circumference. So this angle is going to be 90-degree, right? Now, what it says is, and suppose this is the point O. Now, what the question says is that AB is equal to 13 meters, and what it also says that OA minus OB is equal to 7 meters, right? And suppose we are considering OB as x meters, then that means OA would be x plus 7, right? And what they want us to figure out is whether it is possible to do or not to erect the pole in such a way that the difference of its distance from the two gates is equal to 7 meter, and if the diameter of the circle is 13 meters. Now to figure that out, what we need to do is we need to establish a quadratic equation, and then we need to see if the roots of the quadratic equations are equal to each other, or sorry, if they are more than zero, then it is possible to have the pole erected at such a point wherein its distances are the difference of its distances from the two gates is 7 meters, right? So what we need to do is we need to first make the quadratic equation with the relationship with the information which is given here. So let's do that. Now we already know that triangle OAB is a right angle triangle, right? Because it's a 90-degree here. So triangle OAB is a right angled triangle. And if that is the case, then AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Now let's put these values. AB means 13 square is equal to OA. OA is x plus 7. So let's put it like this, x plus 7. Whole thing gets squared plus OB is x meters. So that's like x square. Now let's expand it. So this is like 169 equals to x square plus 49 plus 14x plus x square. Now, keeping everything onto one side, if we simplify it further, what we get is like 2x square plus 14x negative 120, and that's equal to 0. Whole of the things are equal to 0. Now let's also simplify it further, and we see that 2 is basically common from all these three terms. Now if that is the case, let's divide the whole equation with 2, and what we will be left with is x square plus 7x minus 60, that's equal to 0. And now we need to find out whether is it possible to do so, right? So that means we need to find out whether the roots of this equation are more than if the value of the discriminant is more than zero, then that means the roots are real, right? So let's find out the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So that's equal to, let's see, b square minus 4ac is equal to, now b in this equation is 7. So we will write like 7 squared negative 4 times a. A is the coefficient of x square. So that's like 1 times c. C is negative 60. So that's like 60, right? Now let's further simplify it. This is like 49. 49 minus plus 240. So that's like 289. Now this is positive and this is more than 0. So since the value of b square minus 4ac is more than 0, that means this particular relationship has got two real roots, right? So that means it is possible to erect the pole in such a way that the difference of the distances, its distances from the two gates is 7 meters and the diameter of the circular park would be 13 meters, right? So we have solved the first one. Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible because the value of b square minus 4ac is more than 0 and it's a positive, right? Now let's find out. They are saying if yes, at what distances from the two gates should be the pole erected. Now we need to find out these two distances, and which is very simple. We simply need to find out the solutions of two solutions of this particular equation and we can simply find that out. Now to find the solution of this particular equation is that, how we are going to do is we are going to use simple the split methodology, and which is a very simple thing. So we have this as equation, all of it equals to 0. So if we use split methodology, that means we need to factorize 60. We need to factorize 60 in such a way that the product of its factors is always negative 60 and the sum of its factors is plus 7. So if I take negative 12 and 5, that means the product of these two will always be negative 60 and the sum of these two would be positive 7, right? Now let's put this here, and that's x square plus 12x negative, so that's like, yeah, plus 12x and negative 5. So we'll be taking actually plus 12 and negative 5 because here we have got plus 7x, right? So this is it and this is 5x. Negative 60 is equal to 0. And now let's further simplify it. We've got x common from here. So we have x plus 12 negative 5 x plus 12, that's equal to 0. And finally what we have is x plus 12 x minus 5, that's equal to 0. Now with this we can simply see that the value of x is 5 and what we can also have is negative 12, right? Now since we are talking about the length and we are talking about the distance, that means negative 12 is not possible and that is rejected, right? So this is the correct answer. So that means the pole is going to can be erected from one gate, that's b, at a distance of 5 meter, right? And if this is 5 meter, then with this relationship we can easily find that OA is equal to 5 plus 7 and that's like 12. So this is one is going to be 12 meter, right? So these are the two distances which they were asking. One is 5 meter and the other is 12 meter. So this is how we have solved this question, and I hope you could understand. It was a very interesting question and really helped us in understanding the properties of the roots, right? Thank you so much and have a nice day. Keep watching these videos. Bye bye.